How to get free coins on Webtoon. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, we're going to find out how you can easily get free coins or credits on Webtoon. Let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Webtoon on your web browser. Go ahead and search for Webtoon and hit enter. Then click on the first link, webtoons.com. Now, once you do that, make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see my username at the top right, so that means I'm logged in. So there is quite a few ways you can earn coins on Webtoon. The first one being you can read these kind of comics on Sunday. It could be anything, so just go ahead and click on any comics that you want to read. And then once you complete the reading, once you mark it as read, and you read a few comics on Sunday, you will be able to get a certain amount of coins on Webtoon. This is the first method. The second method you can do actually is get a redeem code. So if there is a redeem code that you have on hand, you can easily claim it on your account. Go to your profile at the top right and head over to accounts. Once you do that, just scroll down a bit, and then here you'll have an option called redeem free coins. So if you have your redeem code or any kind of promotion code, click on redeem your free coins. Scroll down, select the device type that you have, and then simply enter the promo code here. Now click on apply, and if the code is valid, you should be able to get the free coins from the code. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.